Good day. I am very pleased to demonstrate the waveform display comparison between Instek GDS 1000B oscilloscope and Rigo DS1000Z oscilloscope while using the FFT mathematical function. On your right is GDS 1000B oscilloscope, the newly developed oscilloscope by Instek. On the left, Rigo DS1000Z oscilloscope. Now, activate FFT mathematical function for both oscilloscopes and input a square waveform signal with 1 kHz and 2 volt. Now, let's take a look at GDS 1000B oscilloscope first. After pressing auto set, you can clearly observe the yellow 1 kHz square waveform and the red FFT spectrum diagram. With a strong 1 mega FFT display capability and waveform update rate of 50,000 waveforms per second, GDS 1000B perfectly produces a very smooth spectrum display. For DS1000Z oscilloscope, the lack of sufficient FFT display points makes it very limited in observing waveforms. On top of that, DS1000Z is very slow in waveform update rate. Now, adjust frequency scale to 1 kHz per division for GDS 1000B. You can see that with 1 megapoint display capability, GDS 1000B not only shows odd number harmonics 1, 3, 5, 7, etc., but also the even number 2, 4, 6, 8 harmonics. For DS 1000Z, due to its insufficient retrieving points, only limited odd number harmonics can be seen, and that even number harmonics cannot be seen at all. So, what are you waiting for? GDS 1000B oscilloscope is absolutely the best tool for your time domain measurement and frequency domain waveform. Thank you very much.